Simpli Home Bedford Solid Wood Sideboard Buffet Wine Rack. If you're looking for the best liquor cabinet with wine rack, then we definitely recommend that you take a closer look at the Simpli Home Bedford Solid Wood Sideboard Buffet Wine Rack. This is an all-in-one option that gives you adequate storage space for different kinds of liquor, along with additional convenient space to store your glasses, towels, and other items that you might need when you're preparing a drink for yourself and a few guests. In addition to the main option being the sideboard buffet, this cabinet also comes in two additional options that you can choose from, including a medium storage and a low storage option. The Simpli Home Bedford Solid Wood Sideboard Buffet Wine Rack is made from high quality wood with a hand finish overlay, along with a stain that features a dark tobacco brown color. A protective layer on top of the wood also ensures that it's durable and will last longer even with continued use. There are 2 drawers in the center, 2 side doors, and you can store up to 12 bottles of wine in this cabinet.